guys, welcome to the channel Couch Potato. This is Sakshi Pathania and right now I am at the Circular Quay. मेरे पीछे आप लोग देख सकते हैं the famous Sydney Harbour Bridge and towards the right is the Opera House. So right now I am enjoying this beautiful view and today I am here to enjoy the nightlife of this beautiful city. So guys, I have made it solo to the Opera House. I came across this lady. She came and asked me to click her picture and in return I clicked her picture and now we became friends and we are walking till the Mrs. Macquarie chair that is 600 kilometers from here and it was really nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
And again we are just clicking pictures. That's what girls really do. And it's your turn to click my
Yeah,
picture.
sure.
Now I am standing in front of the Mrs. Macquarie's chair and this was made by the convicts in 1810 for Elizabeth Macquarie. This was hand carved on this rock that you see behind me and it looks really amazing and this rock इसका जो texture है and color I really love this. And यहाँ से आप देख सकते हैं today the weather is really nice. It's cold as well and यहाँ से I can see the entire view of the city and I'm really enjoying myself. And we are just walking and talking and we are thinking we'll have a cup of coffee because it's really very cold right now and after that I'll have to leave because it's getting darker. Right now we are at this restaurant called City Extra and we are ordering our coffee and maybe we'll try some scones, so let's see. I totally enjoyed my today's trip and it was so nice to have her with me. It was really nice walk that I had with her and she treated me with a coffee. Thank you for that and nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
So guys, now I'm traveling back.